In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a timestamp in Adobe Sign. A timestamp is the proof of when a document was signed and that the content hasn't changed since that moment. In Adobe Acrobat Sign, this happens automatically for standard e-signatures, so most of the time you won't need to do anything extra. Still, it's helpful to understand where that information appears and how to set up a cryptographic timestamp when you're using Adobe Acrobat for digital signatures. Let's start with the default behavior in Adobe Sign. When you send a document out for signature and the recipient signs it, Adobe Sign automatically records the exact date and time of the signature, the time zone, and the signer's IP address. You don't have to toggle any additional options for this to happen. That timestamp shows up in two places you'll use often: the signature block on the finalized agreement and the audit report attached to that agreement. If you ever need to verify the signing moment for compliance or internal records, open the completed agreement and review the audit trail. A quick tip here: make sure your account's time zone is set correctly, so the recorded time aligns with your organization's location and reporting standards. Now, if you're signing PDFs directly in Adobe Acrobat using a digital certificate and you want a cryptographic timestamp, you'll configure a timestamp server in Acrobat. Open Adobe Acrobat, go to the main menu, and choose Preferences. In the left panel, select Security. From there, open the Timestamp Servers section and choose New. Enter the timestamp server URL provided by your organization or trusted provider, then save your settings. From this point on, any digital signature you apply in Acrobat can include a trusted timestamp from that server, which is especially useful in regulated environments or when long-term validation is required. If you're unsure which server to use, check with your IT or compliance team so you're aligned with company policy. To wrap up, remember what a timestamp actually proves. It confirms the exact time the document was signed, shows that the document existed in that state at that moment, and helps demonstrate that the signature and content haven't been altered afterward. Whether you rely on Adobe Sign's automatic timestamp for everyday e-signatures, or you configure a timestamp server in Acrobat for digital signatures, you'll have the verification you need for audits, legal checks, and peace of mind.